if we could look for the good and for the joy and for the love instead of fear-mongering and all of that, we would heal more. So I think that for that new Christian, a first thing would be to just be still and learn to hear your internal voice. Learn to be comfortable in the stillness. Come away from the noise, come away from the distraction, make proper time to meditate. Now we've got scientific evidence that shows meditation, that brain-heart coherence is so powerful and connects us to the divine, connects us to the Lord.